Hi, welcome to another video. Here's the Python code to read from a Databricks file stored in your local workspace. We can see we're using the protocol file, and we have the file path here. But where do we get the file path to the file? And in this case, it's a CSV file. So, in our workspace, we can navigate to the political analysis folder, which is where I have put my file. Within the folder, I have the notebook and the file. So I select the file, hit the three dots, go to Copy URL and Path. Copy the full path. A notification appears. Then go back to the notebook, and if I paste, we can see that the path does indeed match what I have above. All we need to do is add the file protocol at the beginning and then add some quotes. Assign it to a variable like this. And run it. Let's see. And then we have the contents of the CSV displayed as below. That's it for this video. The code for this demo is in the supplied GitHub repo. Thanks for watching. And remember, I love you all.